In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Weebly blog posts into columns in just 5 minutes. We're going to walk through this step by step to make sure you can easily set up your blog for a more organized and visually appealing look. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the main Weebly website. If you haven't visited it before, Weebly is a great platform for building free websites or online stores, and it offers a range of customization options. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Next, you'll see a login screen. Here, you'll need to type in your registered email address. After entering your email, click on the next button to proceed. This will lead you to a screen where you'll need to enter your password. Carefully type in your password and then click on log in. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account overview page. At this point, you should see an option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site. This action will take you into the Weebly site editor, where you can make changes to your site layout and content. Now that we're in the site editor, we want to enable the display of blog posts in a column format. For this, look for the apps section, which is often in the sidebar or main menu of the editor. Click on apps and in the search bar type in the word columns. This will help you find any available apps related to column arrangements. Once you see a list of apps, select one that suits your needs. Click on the desired app to view more details about it. If it looks good, proceed by clicking on add. After adding, you might need to click connect to fully integrate the app into your site. Now you'll want to go back to your website. Navigate to the blog section to begin incorporating the newly added column function into your blog posts. Once you're on the blog page, locate the Elements section. Within Elements, find Post Columns and click on it. This option will usually enable you to rearrange how your blog posts are displayed. Some apps or features might require a subscription plan. If you encounter this, evaluate whether this fits your needs and decide if you want to subscribe. And with that, you've successfully arranged your Weebly blog posts into columns, giving your website a clean and professional look. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are able to transform your blog's layout with ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy blogging!